started as a volunteer at Heritage Park 3 seasons ago, and I happened to go to a welcoming event, and Marilyn was there, one of the telegraphers, and she said, "What were you interested in doing at Heritage Park?" And I said I wasn't too sure. And she said, "I think you would like to do telegraphy." So I, at a senior age, learned Morse code.
I think it's really important that we can learn how things were done in the past and really see how things have evolved. It's also cool just to learn how things were done and how people thought and how they lived their everyday lives and how that's evolved now.
The last Morse code to go out in North America was in 1967. It left the main cities a little bit sooner than that, but the remote areas was about 1967. So Morse code was your first electronic coding. So it was your forerunner to your telegraph, to your telegram, to your computer. And so from the Morse code came your telephone, came your radio. So it's all part of that coding system. And then eventually our computers. So to teach a younger generation, it's just a natural fit for them because it's a forerunner to our computers. We can send a telegraph faster than you can text. And that is the trick when we're teaching the younger generation, is that we will do a test with them and say, you go ahead and send this message on your text and I'll send it through a telegraph. Because telegraph is instant. And so that is a key factor for how we are able to attract that younger generation. And it's hands-on.
It's just a really cool skill to just learn, you just have in your back pocket, or just like bragging rights, like, I can Morse code, I can do this thing. Or, I mean, if it was ever a situation where there was a blackout or something, I guess it could be useful. So,
yeah, I'm always told by my friends that learning Morse code is cool, how I know a secret language and they don't.
It's just a wonderful craft to be able to pass on to another generation. Like your blacksmiths, like your lumberyard, our printing shop, those are all crafts from the past that still have historical relevance to us.